Sometimes when you open the Instagram app, it may not load properly or show errors. Here's the solution. First, close the app completely and then reopen it to see if that solves the issue. If not, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off to refresh your internet connection. Next, open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and check if there's an update available for Instagram. If yes, update the app, as this often fixes bugs and glitches. If everything seems fine but the issue remains, go to your phone settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Instagram, and offload and reinstall the app. On Android, clear the cache and storage instead. It does the same thing. Finally, check if you're connected to a VPN under Settings, VPN, and Device Management. If yes, simply disconnect it and try opening Instagram again. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.